Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I am going to show you how to change the notification sound of Snapchat on your iOS device. So let's start. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and search for Snapchat. Now tap on Notifications and make sure sound is enabled. Now go back to Settings. Scroll up and tap on Sounds. Now scroll down and tap on Text Tones. And here select any type of alert tones. And that's how you can change the notification sound of Snapchat. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.